Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into something that makes many drivers anxious. That moment when your ABS light starts glowing on your dashboard. But don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how it relates to your brake pads. Picture this. You're driving along, and suddenly that ABS warning light catches your eye. Your heart skips a beat, but here's the thing. It might not be as serious as you think. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about ABS lights and their connection to your brake pads. Understanding your ABS system. Let's start with the basics. Your anti-lock braking system isn't just some fancy feature. It's a crucial safety innovation that could save your life. Think of it as your personal brake assistant, preventing your wheels from locking up during those panic stop moments. Here's what's happening under the hood. Your ABS system is constantly monitoring each wheel through speed sensors, working with a hydraulic control unit and an electronic control module. When you slam on those brakes, this system is working overtime to keep you in control. The brake pad connection. Now, here's where things get interesting. Your brake pads and ABS system are like dance partners. They need to work together perfectly. While worn brake pads don't directly trigger the ABS light, they can create a domino effect that does. As your brake pads wear down, two main things happen. First, your brake fluid level changes because the pistons need to extend further to compensate for the worn pads. This can trigger your ABS warning light. Second, if your pads wear unevenly, it can mess with those wheel speed sensor readings we talked about earlier. Warning signs you can't ignore. Hey, quick pause here. If you're finding this information helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights like this. Now, let's talk about those warning signs. If you're hearing high-pitched squealing or feeling vibrations in your brake pedal, your car is trying to tell you something. Want to learn more about brake system maintenance? Head over to yourmotorcare.com, where we've got a detailed article about everything we're covering today, plus extra tips you won't want to miss. For those looking to check their brake pads at home, we've included links to some professional-grade tools in the description below. These tools can help you maintain your braking system like a pro. Professional diagnosis and maintenance. Let's be real. While some issues you can spot yourself, others need a professional touch. A qualified mechanic will use specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint exactly what's triggering that ABS light. But here's what you can do at home. Check your brake fluid level monthly. Inspect your brake pads through the wheel spokes. Listen for unusual sounds during braking. Watch for changes in brake pedal feel. Cost considerations and prevention. Here's the financial reality. Regular maintenance might cost you $300 to $500 annually, but emergency repairs? Those can hit your wallet for $1,500 to $3,000 or more. That's why prevention is crucial. Pro tip: quality matters when it comes to brake components. Whether you're choosing ceramic, semi-metallic, or organic brake pads, always go for trusted brands. You'll find links to our recommended products in the description below. Remember, your ABS light isn't always a disaster signal, but it's definitely not something to ignore. Regular maintenance and attention to those warning signs we discussed will keep you safe on the road and save you money in the long run. Don't forget to check out our in-depth video about brake failure warnings. You'll find it in the end screen. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive knowledge bombs. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you in the next video.